Good morning, Professor. This is Michelle Brown Osborne. Today is April 8th, Sunday morning, and I will be showing you the video for measuring tidal volume. So I will be showing you the respiratory values at rest. So the first part is to sit quietly, and I'm going to breathe and show you a breathing cycle, which is a full inhale and exhale. And I will do this for 30 seconds and count how many breaths that I take, and then I record that. So the first one, I will just show you how it looks like, which I will start now. So as you can see, you take it at rest and then you record it. And so mine was 8 seconds, or 8 breaths for the first 30 seconds. And then I did that trial 2 more times and recorded the data. So my second trial was 7 and my third trial was 7 breaths as well. Then that average, which I added the 3 together, divided by 3, and then that breath cycle average was 7.33. In order to get the data for 1 minute for a breath cycle, I multiplied my 30-second trials by 2 and then recorded that data. So, which was 16, 14, 14 seconds again. And then I found the average of the minute, the breath cycles in a minute, by adding the 3 together and dividing it by 3. So that average was 14.67. So I made sure to record that data as well. So the next step is to measure the tidal volume with the balloon. So it's important to first stretch the balloon a few different times. I haven't done this in quite a bit of time, but as a child, this was something that we did anyways. I actually had my husband help me stretch it out as well. I noticed if I put the balloon behind my teeth and blew into it, it was more challenging. It could have been how my mouth was positioned, but if you put the balloon in front of your teeth, I found it easier. So that's just a fun fact and tip. So make sure you do the stretching. I blew into it a few different times at a fuller capacity just to make sure it was stretched. So the next step for measuring for tidal volume with the balloon is take 1 breath cycle, so an inhale and an exhale. And then after that, I blow air into the balloon, and I twist the top, and I hold it and take the circumference. So I'll do this as an example. So I blew air into the balloon, I twist the top, I take my measuring tape, and I put it around the widest part of the balloon, so that way I'm recording the widest, getting the largest data. Whoops. Yeah. So this one says 48 centimeters. I recorded my data, and I did this trial 2 more times, so which was 47, 50, and then I got a 46.5. So my average was 47.8 centimeters. I'm curious what others' numbers were. I know that I've been told I've had a smaller lung capacity because I had chronic asthma growing up. So this lab video was a little bit interesting. Thank you, Professor.